this is the first workshop that was so long, and like it had so many residential places to attend for writing and discussing the script.
I felt for this project, this would be the right workshop. I am in the very early stages of development, and I know the workshop extends over a long period of time, so this would help me to kind of make the right process of development.
Really urges you and channels you to have a product, a final product through these 4 different stages.
It's focused much more on script development, and the professionals here, it's really good.
I feel like we have only spoken to one another about our film and before this experience. And so, yeah, I mean, it was an opportunity to workshop and, get feedback. And yeah, things have moved forward a lot.
It actually nurtures you. It's not just 1 or 2 steps or 3 steps. And it's very well developed along with these other guest tutors that also switch the focus towards project presentation, different skills.
It's not the same as other workshops in Europe because it's for a really long time. And we were quite happy about the fact that we could work for 6 months on the script and like not being like only 1 week and then it's over, but like doing a full like deep work. And we really felt it was like a great opportunity for us to work like that on the script.
To me, it's incredible to be able to go out of your normal daily life and go to such a wonderful, really inspiring place to create and to get feedback and to work so deeply in the projects with really high-level artists.
And you really feel like your only job is to write or to listen to the others, which is really exciting.
So inspiring that it's like impossible to get any sort of a writer's block.
For me, I think that one of the most precious things is that we have time here.
There have been moments when we've been walking, through Nisiros, just talking about our film and just in the headspace that I think, being on the island really contributes to. It's been amazing.
It helps to be away from the city because like the city is so loud and here is just so quiet, and then you can just think and you can hear your thoughts.
So we have the possibility to think, write, rethink, rewrite.
It's like an engine of inspiration.